everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and I made some dashi the other day and I promised you guys I was gonna make something with it. Well, ramen is the go-to choice obviously, and today we got some vegan shoyu ramen. Let's get into it. First, let's finely chop a little ginger and garlic. Grab a medium pot and set it to the stove on medium-high. Heat up a drizzle of sesame oil and saute the garlic and ginger for about a minute. Now time for the shoyu, aka soy sauce. Also in goes some mirin and sake. If you don't have sake, Chinese cooking wine will work just as well. Finally, pour in some of that homemade dashi from our previous episode. Bring that all to a dull simmer and cook for 15 minutes so it can reduce and the alcohol can burn out. While we wait, let's prep some toppings. I'm feeling some thinly sliced bamboo shoots, Maitake mushrooms pulled apart into bite-sized pieces, and chopped green onion. Let's place a small pan on the stove at medium-high and drizzle in a tiny bit of oil. Saute the bamboo and mushrooms for about 5 minutes. With our broth reduced, pour in some water and allow it all to heat back up. Finally, let's get some water boiling for our ramen noodles. I'm using some homemade noodles from a previous episode, which will only cook in 1 minute. Make sure to rinse them well in cold water once they're done. Now let's build this bowl. After filling your favorite bowl with a good heap of noodles, ladle in that amazing rich dark broth. Next goes our bamboo, mushrooms, and those green onion. Make it all pretty with a nori seaweed fan, and let's slurp this dish. Time for the slurp. The soy sauce is definitely the defining flavor, which it should be, but it's not overpowering at all, and the other veggies pair really well with it. It's really good. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite ramens are down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future ramen dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
It's on my chin.